Alright, well, my camera app crashed on my phone, but anyway, here's the severe weather outlook from a different source. This is through the Washington Post from NOAA, and this was less than a minute ago at the time this page loaded, and specific cities in the high risk as of right now include Vicksburg and Jackson, Mississippi, as well as Birmingham, Alabama, and they're not listed by name on the map, but also Meridian, Mississippi, and Tuscaloosa, Alabama. And also Tupelo, Mississippi is just inside of the high risk. And Nashville, Paducah, Atlanta, Macon, they're not out of the woods right now because they're still in the second tier slight risk, and Mobile and Pensacola are the biggest cities in the third tier enhanced risk. Then there's the tornado warning for Chilton County, Clanton. Some a reflective radar image here from a Twitter user. This is, I believe, this is in central Alabama on the I-65 corridor. This is the warning that's in effect right now. The latest update, this is 24 minutes ago. Confirmed tornado near Billingsley, as mentioned by the Weather Channel on Twitter. Let's see. Latest storm reports from the Weather Channel. This might just be an article. Close out of this. Particularly dangerous situation. Once again, the high risk is outlined here. These reports: Choctaw, Jefferson counties, Moundville, Billingsley, Clanton, Bluffton, and then Wayne County, Mississippi. I've been hearing a lot about this tornado. And then here again, the two separate tornado warning supercells over Selma in less than 4 hours. So that's in between. That is somewhere to the west of Montgomery. Prompted tornado warnings as far west as northeast Oklahoma, near Tulsa, which I just pointed out. 5:20. This is 3 minutes ago. The map of watches and warnings. Jackson under a severe thunderstorm watch, and then multiple tornado warnings in Mississippi, and a few in Alabama. And there is a, can't tell what the pink boxes are. That, I think those are supercell tracks, and then a lot of tornado watches. This one, northwest Arkansas, northeast Oklahoma, southwest Missouri, and then one for West Tennessee. Middle Tennessee is not under any kind of watch right now, but I think they might have been earlier, and they'll probably be under one later, and northern Georgia, including Atlanta, probably will be too. Here's a severe thunderstorm warning with no watch associated with it. This is in between Columbus and Macon, I believe. House damage just north of the Moundville, Alabama area from Twitter. Severe, from basically through the rest of tonight. This again is the big picture for the severe weather risk in the area. So, let's see. Some more stuff on Twitter. Live stream. Live tornado outbreak coverage. This was, let's see, until 5:30. Somewhere off I-65. Let's see, let me take one more look at the VTech here. Let's see. For That looks like that is for Blount County in Alabama. 60, until 6 p.m. Central Time. Confirmed tornado over Kimberly. And then a tornado is on the ground. So this is still a dangerous situation, and it's going to be a busy night for this area. Let's see. Yup, Kimberly, Trafford, Warrior. Yup, Trafford. So it's going to be a very busy night here in parts of the South as these tornadoes continue to touch down. So I could be back in a little bit with one last update.